Good morning, everyone. Today, our group will present our elicitation plan for Cute Paws Daycare. The goal of this project is to implement a cloud-based management system to improve bookings and customer communication processes. My name is Lahari, and alongside I have my teammates Sahil Kaur and Amanpreet. We'll walk you through our plan. I'm going to talk about needs and pain points now. Cute Paws Daycare faces several operational challenges that we have prompted the need for a new system. Currently, they handle bookings manually, which leads to double bookings and missed appointments. Staff have a different time tracking pet care schedules, and customers feel disconnected because they don't receive updates on time. This disconnect leads to dissatisfaction as pet owners want real time feedback on how their pets are doing. So, over to you, Amanpreet.
Now come to solutions. To address these pain points, the company will implement a cloud-based daycare management system. This system will automate bookings, provide real-time updates, and streamline pet care tracking. The solution will minimize manual errors, reduce overbookings, and enhance customer satisfaction by giving pet owners real-time insights into their pet's care. By automating the booking process, daycare staff will be able to focus more on providing quality care, while pet owners can book online and receive timely updates. Let's take a look on user classes. We have identified two key user classes for our elicitation activities: internal user classes and external user classes. The daycare staff is crucial because they manage pet care and scheduling daily, so their feedback will provide insights into operational challenges. Pet owners are the customers who use the service and expect regular updates on their pets. By targeting these two user classes, we ensure that the system meets both operational and customer communication needs. Now I will pass it over to Sahil.
Now coming over to elicitation plan overview. So here, like we can see, we have four activities mentioned over here. The first one is like interviews with daycare staff, and then it is pet owner surveys. Now and observations and workshops. We'll begin by conducting interviews with daycare staff to understand their operational challenges. Following that, like we'll distribute surveys to pet owners to gather feedback on their communication preferences. Once we have collected this data, we'll observe the daily operations to identify inefficiencies. Finally, we'll conduct workshops with staff and management to collaboratively brainstorm solutions and ensure the system fits their needs. Each activity builds on the insights from previous one, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of both internal and external needs. Now coming on to the next slide. So the illustration activity one is interviews. So here we'll conduct interviews with daycare staff. The purpose of this interview is to gather detailed information about the specific challenges they face with scheduling, pet care, and communication with customers. This technique is valuable because interviews allow for in-depth questioning and can uncover issues that might not be immediately obvious. However, one limitation is that interviews can be time consuming and staff might not feel comfortable like sharing all the details. And now coming over to the elicitation activity 2, which is surveys. The goal of this activity is to gather feedback on their communication experience and understand their expectations regarding various updates about their pets. And surveys are a great way to collect feedback on a large scale, and it makes it efficient to understand the overall satisfaction level of the pet owners. One potential limitation is that like the response rate might be low for this, and like it may not cover all the feedback areas that we want to cover. And now Q will take over from activity 3.
Our activity 3 is observation. The third activity involves observing the daily operations at the daycare. We want to see the first-hand how staff handle bookings, pet care, and interactions with customers. This techniques allow us to identify surface level inefficiencies that may not be reported in interviews. One risk of this approach is the staff behavior may change because they know they are being observed, which could lead to inaccurate data. Now, moving to the next slide. So we have the fourth activity, that is workshops. Lastly, we will conduct workshops with staff and management. These workshops will focus on brainstorming ways the new system can automate processes and improve communication with pet owners. Workshops allow participants to collaborate and share ideas, helping us develop solutions and fit the needs of everyone involved. However, a limitations of workshop is that they can be dominated by one vocal participant, leaving quieter team members without a chance to contribute. So, then conclusion is in conclusion, the elicitation plan is designed to gather comprehensive insights and both from both daycare staff and pet owners. By using combination of interviews, surveys, observation, and workshop, we will ensure that new daycare management system addresses the operational pain points and involves communication with customers. Thank you for being